Hey guys, today I got 3 new Roombas.
All right, so Wyatt has his latest batch of donations here. He has had 3 used robot vacuums donated to him. And today he wants to tell you all about them. And also, Wyatt, show us your shirt. He got a new Roomba shirt here, and I'll put the link in the description below. But okay, Wyatt, let's learn about your new Roombas, okay?
So this is the Samsung. This is our first donation of it.
Yep, so we actually got this one a couple weeks ago. It's the Samsung Cyclone Force. Yep, all right. You gonna show us how it works?
Yeah, and this is Spot and that's Clean. That's Home. And on the bottom, you can like turn it off or on when you're like going on a trip with it.
Okay.
And this is like the brush that cleans up at it. And these are the locks that keep it in there. These are the sensors that go on the charger.
So we were told that this one probably needed a new battery, but so far it's actually been working really well for us, right? Okay.
And the dust, you just push this little button that says push, and you see it just says pull, that you pull it out. And then this is the font Declan and Xander gave it to me, and they said it was beeping on the charger for us. It was not.
Yeah, this one, yep, our neighbor gave us this one, and it has actually been working just fine. So then they said Wyatt could just have it. This is the LaFont M213, right? Okay.
And the button is right here, and here's the dustbin. And there's no Home or Spot, just Clean.
All right, flip it over. And there's no little rolling brush either. It just has the 2 side brushes.
Yeah. Even there's like a suction power like the Pure Clean.
Oh yeah.
And then my favorite one.
So we just picked this one up yesterday, and this one actually, it did need a new battery. So you put the battery from one of the other iRobots in it, right?
Yeah, and it's working fine, and I tested it today, and I do not know how long it cleans for.
All right, and which model is this again?
760.
iRobot 760.
And so it doesn't have the Home right here. It has them down here, Dock and Spot, and you can like schedule it. And the dustbin is right here.
Yep. Similar to the other one, right?
And this one is actually my favorite because I do not have one of these.
Nope. We've never seen this model before, have we?
Yeah.
Yeah. And you like it because it's white, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. All right, so you want to let them run? We can show everybody how well they work.
Robot's over here. It's right there.
Can you clean under the bed?
Yeah.
Looks like they're all working great. Good job, buddy.